Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to talk about another important marketing strategy, and that is content marketing. Content marketing is a practical and result-proven marketing strategy based on creative furnishing and distribution of relevant, valuable, and consistent content to target audience. The ultimate intention of this is also to drive some potential visitors to your website to convert them into a profitable customer action. Unlike the other traditional marketing strategies, this content marketing is not about pitching the potential prospects with a product or service. Instead of that, it creates and offers value for free in the form of written material which would be truly helpful for the audience to solve their issues in a better way. A content might be in different ways such as infographics, web pages, podcasts, videos, books, and research. When you do promote your creative content to a certain audience, and if they find it as a better solution for an existing issue, they will surely perform research on it and make themselves educated about that solution. At this point, you can approach these potential prospects to generate your leads, conversions, and finally the sales. Now let's discuss why content marketing matters for sales. The percentage of using content by marketers has increased from 70% to 82% in 2021. And mostly, 47% of the buyers are engaging 3 to 5 pieces of content before reaching a sales representative for a customer action. So due to this helpfulness and a creative way of pitching the prospects, around 84% of consumers desire companies to create entertaining and useful content experiences for them. As these strategies go more effective than ever, 92% of marketing specialists believe in content as a valuable asset to a company. The extent to which the content is creative and related, it is also tricky in building networks to generate leads, conversions, and sales throughout the pipeline. So the writer should furnish the content in a way that its readers tend to interact with the brand up to a profitable customer action or to make them into loyal returning clients. Now let's have a look into how creating quality content would influence to generate more sales. When the strength of the content is higher, it will automatically boost your sales and clients. This can be shown in 3 different stages in your marketing funnel, and the first one is awareness. At this first stage, when the customers are searching for a better solution for one of their existing issues, if your company can address that issue with a better solution in a more creative way, they will come to your business through that creative content you create. And as the second, there is consideration. Here, the customer compares the similar types of solutions offered by different vendors to choose the best fit for them. And finally, the purchasing. The customer makes the choice and decision to move for a transaction with the chosen best fit for them. Accordingly, this creative content could perform to grow your business in a massive way. For example, if you take Tom Shoes, they create their contents with a creative business model, and that is all about donating a pair of shoes once you bought a new one. So this has basically changed their identity to the whole world, and that has made their path to success. And that is through unique content. And if you go for GoPro, there are more than 3.2 million subscribers on its YouTube channel, and around 6,000 GoPro tagged videos are uploaded to the internet every day. So there is a separate global audience with daily engagements and new content to promote their business on behalf of their company staff. So if you guys also want to grow your business, you definitely have to grow your unique and creative content as much as possible. So that's all for today. Goodbye for now. We are TaizerMinds.